$500 to $1,500 a month with this simple strategy with low competition and close to zero risk. And today I'll be showing you guys exactly how I did it. Check out these screenshots of what I'll be sharing you guys with messages from my Facebook Marketplace. So let's get straight to the strategy. So a simple breakdown of the strategy is you just find products on Amazon. Depending on the price range that you want to do, I usually focus on higher priced products up to $200 to $500. But if you have a lower budget, you can start selling stuff about $50 price range and buy them for about $10 to $20. And I'll show you guys exactly how to find the demand and make sure that you're not buying products that sits on the shelf for a long time. Then I'll be showing you guys to find the right price to buy them for and how to estimate the cost of your product and to see if it's profitable. Number one, you go find products on Amazon. Number two, you go on Alibaba, AliExpress, DHgate, whatever site that you want. I'll be showing you guys that. And number three, you listen to Facebook Marketplace, and I'll be showing you guys exactly the steps on how to find a product today, all right? So stay tuned. Okay, now that summer's around the corner, there's a product that I've been looking at, and maybe I'll be listing it soon, but I'll be showing you guys an example of a product that has a potential, right? So I like to focus on 100 to maybe 300, 400, 500 cost products. So depending on your budget, if you want to spend less, that's up to you. So an item that I know that's pretty expensive is an outdoor pool above ground. So what you do first is you look for the average price of the product. So right here you'll see if you want to stick to a specific type of design like this one. Let's focus on this one. It's going for $382. So this one is similar but not really, but $800. So these ones would be $137. You also want to make sure that you're finding the right. This one's a little bit more expensive because of the dimensions of the pool. So 10 by 30. These are selling for basically $150. The big ones are about $700, $800, $400 for these big ones. So it's looking like these 15 foot by 48 inches are about $300 to $400. So $300, $400. All right. So what I do, I just go through the first page and I get a rough idea of how much they cost first. So you scroll down through, so you'll see it'd be like $300. So now you know if you can get the product for under $300, then you know that you're able to be profitable. So this is the first step, is to see if your product is profitable. It'd be $200, but this one's a baby one, so you don't want to. You want products that are similar, so you don't want to do a baby one if you're trying to sell an adult. 15 foot by 48 inches. All right, so now let's just say the average price is around $350 for the one that we want. Then we just copy this and go to Alibaba.com here and just search outdoor pool above ground. So you obviously want to find the product that's similar to yours. So right here, this one is $63 to $568. So the gap is a little too big, but you could message them. You should. For me, I message all the suppliers to see what quote you want. So what you can do is you can even copy the image that you want and the details of the pool, like 15 foot by 42 inches, and you want to show them a picture and see if they can match that product and find out how much it'll cost for you. So some products you see here has one minimum order or two pieces, one order. That means that you'll need to at least order two. So here you can see that it's only selling for $67 to $109. If you're buying more, then it's cheaper per unit. The less you buy, then the more expensive it'll be. So a general rule of thumb for me is, let's just say this pool, it's selling for $350 and you're able to get it for $100 per piece. I will at least, for shipping, I'll put 50%. So 50% of 100 is going to be $50. So you add that on top of the 100, all right? So it'll be $150 total cost of your product to be shipped and paid for the product itself. So you'll be paying about $150 to sell a product that's about $300. So for me, I like that range of at least $50 in profit. Obviously, the more I spend, the more I want to make. So if for this one, if I'm spending $150 to make $150 in profit, that's something that I'm really interested in. So with this product, I'll be listing it. So the next step here is you go onto Facebook. So before you even contact your supplier, you don't need to waste the time. You just want to do the quickest step possible to see if your product's able to even have demand, right? So you go onto Facebook here. So you create your listing, item for sale, and you just copy the details from the supplier here. So you'll copy the image here and you post it onto Facebook. So all you do is you just grab like 3-4 photos. You just want to grab a couple photos to really detail what you're selling and what it comes with. So here I'm just adding these in, everything that comes with it. What you want is a pool that is 15 foot by 42. Since we don't have a brand for the product, you want to undercut the price, because if they can buy it on Amazon, they rather buy it on Amazon. So if it's selling for $380, $350, I'll undercut it by about $50, $20, $30. People prefer to buy it for a cheaper price. What I've noticed with Facebook Marketplace is that they're there to get a good deal, okay? So they're obviously going to check other places, and then they come check Facebook Marketplace. So if your price can't beat Amazon or Walmart, then they don't want it, okay? So what you do is you just copy this above ground backyard swimming pool set. So what we're doing here is we're just testing to see if there's demand for the product. So you just add photos, add your description here, add the title, price. So price, you want to put it at 300. If you're getting it for 150, if you're willing to settle for 250 or something like that, people will always bargain. So you can even put 325, because they might bring it down to 300 to 275, and you have a little wiggle room. If you just put it for exactly the price you want, what I've noticed is that people always bargain with you and you don't get the price you want. So if I buy it for 150 and I'm able to sell it for $50 profit, then I'm willing to do that, okay? So that's a 30% return on investment with $150. It's not super great, but if you can sell it for 300, then you're able to double your money, which the product that I'm selling, I'm able to do it, as you guys saw from the previous screenshots. So just fill out all these categories. I like to put new in my title because I want them to know that it's new, so they know that what they're getting is valuable. If you just put the name on there, Facebook Marketplace, it seems like people assume it's a lot more of a used marketplace. So new description, you can just put the title, or you can go to the description and put more as well. Add photos, so you can drag it up here, and now you're basically done. All right, so now that after you put all the details inside of the Facebook Marketplace, and I advise you guys to do OfferUp too, because it's free. I've tried other websites, at least for my local town. OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace are the two that does pretty well. So after you're done with this, just post it, and people's going to start messaging you. And how do you find out if it's a product that you want to order from Alibaba or AliExpress? So you keep messaging them back and forth, and you find out they're a serious buyer, okay? So once you guys confirm on a price, and then you guys talk about a date that you guys are able to meet, and then that's where you know that they're a serious buyer. And then that's when you order the product, and then you tell them the product will be in stock soon. Once the buyer confirms a date and they're really serious to meet up, you can tell by their messaging. That's when you want to order a certain amount of product. So for me, I like to at least have 5 serious buyers before I order a bulk of 10. So depending on how many people has reached out to you during the month, so let's just say you hit a home run product and they're buying 10, 20, 30 pulls a month, then you obviously want to buy for 3 or 4 months worth of inventory, because it takes around 2 months for the product to reach to your location. And then once the product starts selling out, you know when to restock. So if you only have 2 months of inventory left, then you want to start reordering so that you're always in stock and you don't have to have your customers waiting, all right? But in the beginning, you're going to have to test it out like this, and just to see what your customers want in order first to see what items that you want to bring into your marketplace and what products you want to order. So you slowly build up your inventory this way, okay? So what I recommend you guys to do is just find 5 products a week and just post it on Facebook Marketplace and see if people are messaging you. If people are serious to meet up, then that's how you know that there's demand. For me, I've listed only probably like 30 products, and I was able to find the one winning product that was able to help me make $500 to $1,500 a month. So right now, I just ordered another product and it just arrived. So that one, I'm looking to make at least another $300 to maybe $1,000 a month, and that's only with 2 products, all right? So imagine once you scale up to 10 products, 10, 20, 30 products, which is what I plan to do. And for a bonus for you guys are still watching, let me tell you guys a product that it's making me about $50 to $100 a month. It's not life-changing money, but it can pay your cell phone bill. It can pay off little bills every month, right? And it's a very low investment. And I'm sure you guys already have it. So this product is just a portable charger. So these portable chargers sells for anywhere from $20 to $50. For me right now, I'm just selling it for around $30. I'm listing it for 30, and people are bargaining with me, and to sell it for around $20. And if you go look on AliExpress or Alibaba, you can see here they're only selling for max $3. It'll be like $2 shipping per one. If you buy 50 pieces for $5, you're spending $250, and you can sell it for five times your money, 5 to 6 times your money, right? So yeah, so that's a little side money right there, right away, a bonus for you guys. I don't recommend buying 50 right away. I want you guys to do the steps I'm telling you guys. Post it on Facebook and see the demand. I will say double the amount of what people want. So if in a month 20 people message you, they're really serious, then I'll buy 40. If only 10 people are serious, then I'll buy 20, okay? And then once I get it, and once I start selling it and I need more of the product, then I'll purchase more. So portable chargers is a product that I first started with. I spent a couple $100, and I'm able to make a couple hundred per month. It's not life-changing, like I said, but it'll pay off your cell phone bill, help you buy groceries, it's just a little bit side income, and it's not a big investment, and it's just something for you to get your foot into the door and test out this business model, okay? So to wrap it up, you go on to Amazon, you find a product, see the price, go to Alibaba, see if you can buy it for basically 50% cheaper than they're selling it for. Post it on Facebook Marketplace, see if there's demand. If there's at least 5 to 10 people messaging you ready to meet up per month. Obviously, if you're selling higher price products, you only need 1 or 2 people to message you and serious to meet up, then you can buy 5 to 10 items. And then after that, you contact the supplier. If you guys want more information on how to contact supplier, make sure you guys subscribe so I can make a video on that for you guys. You order the products. Once it gets here, you can message people that are buying. And this is the exact steps of how I was able to find a product that was making me $500 to $1,500 a month. And from here, I just want to scale up and find more and more products. And hopefully my goal is to make 10K a month by the end of next year, okay? So subscribe to my channel. If you guys want more tips, comment down below, and I'll be making more videos to show you guys the following of my journey and how I do and how I can help you guys, all right?